Hello, everybody. This is Viola from Effortless Marketing. And today I'm going to talk to you about Facebook Live and just the very simple way on getting on Facebook Live without being anxious about it, so to speak. So you can have a trial run and nobody will see what you're doing. So if you hear weird noises upstairs, they're putting in a new floor. So if you hear banging and all that, nobody's shooting me. I'm okay. It's just upstairs working, but I'll be fast. This video is for those who never done Facebook Lives, but they're thinking about it. Because as we unfortunately all know, today we are in a different place than even 2 weeks ago. And I'm talking about the coronavirus situation. And as small business owners, we have to adapt. Those who adapt, those are the ones who succeed, right? And this is an easy, simple thing. So just give it a try. What I'm going to tell you is to go to your personal Facebook page. Oh my God. And go to live. So don't worry, you're not going to go live right away. So click on live video. And it's a bit slow. I guess I'm going to have to go home after this because no way I can work in this noise. And it's loading up a little bit slower than normal because I guess I'm using too many software. Like I'm recording this. So the live video will show, okay, so you clicked on live video on your personal profile in Facebook. Here, make sure you are share on timeline and it's click on only me. So there are different options. Oh, okay, so you can go public, friends, special friends, whoever, and only me. Make sure you select only me because that means only you will see this, okay? So people notifications. Normally, if it's you're going public or you go in your Facebook group, if you have one, or a Facebook page, then you would select that and you would put a title. Please make sure you put a title because people who are thinking about watching your Facebook Live later, they go and read that title and they're going to make their decision according to that. So put a nice kind of attractive title and write a couple of words about it. What are you talking about? I'm not going to do that right now. Also, make sure that you're on camera. So you could be streaming it, and I don't even know what that means, but you could be streaming it, but you have to be on camera. Otherwise, this go live button will not show up. So you're on camera and you're only on only me. Try it out and make sure you have a good microphone. This is mine and I should keep it closer to me, I guess. It's a blue, what is it? A blue Snowball and pretty cheap and good. Sorry. And that's it. And go live and practice and see how it goes. Make sure that your laptop or wherever you're using, it's eye level. So people, I'm sure you see this even on TV, that people talk and you can see their nostrils and their chins and whatever. We don't want to look into your nose. So eye level, put some books or whatever you want to do to elevate your laptop. It's easy, isn't it? Do it. Okie dokie. That's it for the Facebook Live, how to do a practice run. Bye-bye.